Welcome to our class project 1 of Adobe Illustrator T-shirt design. The name of this class project is making a rainbow design. Well, I have attached in a description and also an outcome. So in our description, we will be using the ellipse tool and shape builder tool to make our rainbow and a color palette to later mock it up on a t-shirt. So we're going to go through the steps. In step 1, we're going to open up Adobe Illustrator. In step 2, we're going to open up an A4 preset so that I can use it later on. In step 3, we're going to use the ellipse tool to make 7-step circles over one another. In step 4, we're going to use the shape builder tool to remove the parts which we don't need. And we're also going to get the help of the rectangular tool. And the end, we're going to group all of it together and mock it up on our t-shirt file, which you are also going to get in our resource files. And the outcome is about learning how to make a desired shape. It's like cutting the bottom part of the rainbow to get the exact shape we want. So we can use the same steps and the same method to get whichever shape or the exact type of shapes of our desired results whenever we are working on Adobe Illustrator. So without any further ado, let's just hop onto Adobe Illustrator. Now, what I'm going to do is going to be clicking on the A4. I'm going to click on this and there we go. I'm going to press on create and I'm going to start off by clicking on our ellipse tool. Make sure you are using the center. So first off, I'm going to do is get the anchor, hold on to shift. We're going to get 1. I'm going to select on this and find out the center. Basically, I'm going to click on it and align it perfectly. I'm going to click on it, Control C and Control F. There we go. We have another one. Click on, there we go. We have 1. Control C, Control F. Then I'm going to do is put in 2. Control C, Control F. Shift. We have 3. Control C, Control F. 4. Control C, Control F. 5. And there we go, 6. I'm going to hit on it. Increase the size just a bit on each and every one. Do the same thing. Control C, Control F. There you go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're just gonna need 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're gonna delete this. I'm gonna hold on to Shift and Alt and then make it a bit smaller. Okay, now we're gonna use the rectangular tool so that we basically get over to the center. There you go. I'm gonna click on select all of it. Click on Shift and M, which is going to be our shape builder tool, and press on Alt, which is going to be a minus. Select the ones which you don't need, and there we go. We have our rainbow. Control G. Now we're going to use the color palette from an online website. So I'll be using the color palette from online. I'm going to click on the ones which we need. First off, I'm going to do is ungroup. I'm going to do is press on Control Y. I'm going to redo it. I'm not going to just group it up. I'm going to select on all of it. Objects, and then this is basically ungrouped. So first off, I'm going to do is going to be clicking on this. Okay, I'm going to go off online. And I'm going to do is take this as I don't have the specific color. I'm going to do select on it. Paste. Okay. I'm going to click on the next one. I'm going to click on this basically and go off online. Select this. Paste it right over here. Okay, I'm gonna select the next one. Go off to the website. I'm gonna click on over here, paste it up. Okay. Then I'm gonna select the other one. I'll go off online, select the next one, click on this color palette, and we have 2 more to go. Okay, we are done with this. I'm gonna click on this. Okay, with the 2 more to go. Click on it. Okay, and the last one, we're gonna get it from over here. Okay, so now we are done with this. Now what we're gonna do is going to be grouping them up together. I'm gonna press on Control G as they are now grouped. Looks a lot more better. Now the last thing we have to do is just open up our mockup file. I'm gonna go off to t-shirt mockup. Let's say I'm gonna get it on black. Press on OK. Click on this and take it up directly over here. Okay, hold on a shift, and there you go. You have your own t-shirt or a rainbow t-shirt. Okay, I'm gonna click on both of them, and if you want to mock it up, make mask, you can see it. You can clip it up, and this is basically how it will look like. But as this has no color, what you have to do is make up the color to look, a bit better. You have to fix out the stroke, you have to fix out the fill, and also fix out the transparency. But if you don't want to clip, you can just remove it. If you want to delete it, what I'm going to do is press on Control Z and keep it just the way it was before. Okay, so there you go. You have your t-shirt and your own design. So hope you understood everything in this lesson, and let's move on to our next class project of Adobe Illustrator t-shirt design.